Alright, so recently I went on vacations. I actually had a really good time with my family, and I went to the beach, I went to the lake, I went to the forest, and yeah, it's actually really peaceful, really tranquil, and I can do like a lot of things actually in there. I can rest. I have really good time. I go like every year, every summer, every holiday. At least in my country, they have like 3 months of holidays of school, and it's actually on summer, so it's actually can't get any better. So yeah, but there's a problem. I'm actually a programmer, and I really like programming and being productive, and I think that a key for being a good programmer is being consistent. So I wanted to keep programming and resting in some way. So yeah, basically I do a lot of projects. I wanted to do a lot of things. I programmed a lot of things actually. So yeah, basically in this episode I'm actually going to show you the setup that I have in my holiday. So yeah, I'm actually going to show you my remote, work from home, productivity, temporary, desk setup. There's too many names. I mean, that's not necessary, but yeah, let's jump into it. Alright, so first let's start with the keyboard. I think that this is the most important component when when you're programming, because if you feel nice with your keyboards, if you feel comfortable, you can actually be more productive and program more. You can type faster and do a lot of things. That's actually at least for me. There's people that actually don't care about that, but for me, having a good keyboard is actually good. So yeah, this keyboard is like a knockoff magic keyboard version. But it actually feels really good. It's from plastic, but for the typing sound, it's actually really good, and you're going to hear it right now. For programming, for using it, it's actually good enough. I don't need more than that. I mean, I'm pretty happy with it, and it's okay. So yeah. So moving on, I had the mouse. I mean, it's a gaming mouse. It doesn't have too much things. Normal mouse. I don't want to detail too much. And what I'm going to talk about now, it's my monitor. So yeah, and you'll ask me, all right, but you went into some vacations and you're bringing your entire setup into there. And yes, I did that, but basically it's not uncomfortable to have the monitor, because and I can go like in by car to my holiday house, and it's pretty near from my house where I actually live, so it doesn't bother me at all. And having a 24-inch 1080p monitor to program, it's way better than the screen that I have from the laptop. So yeah, I'm talking about the laptop. I mean, the laptop, it's really bad. I'm not gonna lie. But it's useful. It's a free laptop that the government and the school gave to us for free like 5 years ago. It's good enough. I mean, I have a light Linux distribution installed on it, and for programming, doing simple tasks, it works really well. I don't need more than that, and it has like 4 GB of RAM, 2-core CPU, and that's it. But it actually works pretty straightforward, so no complaining. Then I have my notes pad. I don't know how to call it. It's basically where I put all my annotations. I didn't actually use it too much because I don't annotate too much, but it's in there. So if I want to use it, so in top of it, I actually have some little devices, some little gadgets. I have the charger of the camera. I have also the AirPods, basically, and then I have the pencil case where I have like all the pencils, and all the stuff for using the notepad. So yeah, and then actually below the notepad, I have a little space where I can actually put like my wallet, like my watch, and all that stuff. So yeah, it's actually pretty good enough. I don't need more than that. So yeah, now I'm actually going to talk about how programming feels. I mean, programming actually feels pretty good. I mean, it isn't as good as you're in your house, because you're used to be in your house. But the chair also complements a lot. It's not a really comfortable chair. It's like the chair that is in the dinner in the nine in the sorry in the dine. It's the chair that is in the dining room. So but it has a really good couch that actually helps my butt to feel comfortable. So it's okay. so I can sit in there, pram, and I really feel good. So yeah, the pram experience, I mean, it's good. I mean, I don't have Wi-Fi in there because I'm like in a remote place, you can call it. So I was using mobile data, but that's not too much a problem because I just watch some videos, do some pramming stuff, and that doesn't require too much. But for pramming and doing like a lot of things actually feels really, really, really good. So yeah, then the last final part and the last final thing is my backpack. I mean, it's not far from the setup itself, but actually if it is like a temporary remote, I actually need to bring all this stuff. So this is my backpack, and it's actually small. It can actually contain like up to 10 liters. It's not really, really big, but I mean, it's good enough. Basically, I can save all my stuff. I can save my keyboard, my mouse, my notepad, all my gadgets that I just show you, and my laptop, everything that I actually need and use, like my wallet and the cables and that stuff that I actually use. It's actually capable to hold it in, and it's actually really comfortable because it's small and it's actually really powerful. So that's actually pretty nice. And then the monitor, actually the monitor it doesn't fit, but it isn't big, it isn't a problem. And so yeah, that's my setup, and I hope you like it, guys. So yeah, it's not too much, but it's okay. I mean, for working from remote and when I'm on vacation, it's actually really, really good. So yeah, guys, hope you liked this video. I mean, I hope you like my setup. I hope you like my setup. So yeah, guys, that's it for the video, and take care. See you in the next one.